congratulations. You know, I felt so good just introducing, that introduction was everything. And can I please say you completely deserve it. For a lot of us who've seen Siddhant's journey, I think today's a very special day for him. Ab seetiyan honi chahiye dosto. Yeah! That's for you, my friend, that's for you. Okay, so we don't know anything. We haven't watched the trailer yet, but there are these leaked, and when I say leaked, I want to see Ritesh's expression. Leaked reports that, hi, you've been doing some crazy training. You've been doing some MMA, some kickboxing, some, what is it called? Jiu-jitsu? Jiu-jitsu?
Yes.
Yeah. Are these rumors true? And does a Yudra need all of these in his artillery?
Firstly, thank you so much for such a powerful introduction. Thank you so much for all the cheers, and I'm so sorry for you guys who were waiting since a long time. But I'm very sure जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत बहुत मजा आएगा. And back to the question. Well, for me, I'm constantly evolving as an actor, and I love films where I get to learn skills. For Gully Boy, I was rapping. For Kho Gaye, I was, I learned stand-up comedy. For Gehraiyan, I learned
Drowning.
intimacy.
Oh yeah, I remember that intimacy
Yeah.
coach, yeah?
And I think for this one, it was a prerequisite. It's an action film, such a big film, so I had to just go for it. And I have a little bit of background of martial arts, and I always wanted to showcase. I still remember the first time when I went to Ritesh sir after Gully Boy, and this was actually the first film I signed after Gully Boy. It obviously took a long time because it's a big one, and thank you for Answer and Ritesh sir to actually showing that faith to mount such a big film on a newcomer. I would say that this was the first film, and I went up to him and I was like, he's like, what do you want to do? I was like, I want to do action. And I had my show reels of the action stuff which I was learning through my struggling days on Juhu Beach and doing my martial arts with my coach. So I had a cut reel of that, and I sent it to Ritesh sir, and I said, sir, please can I do an action film? And luckily that time I think Farhan sir and Sridhar sir were coming up with this this magnum opus story, and Ravi sir was on board. So yeah, we jammed, and it just came to life. So yeah.
Thanks, Ritesh. I'm going to send you reels of me running on Juhu Beach next, okay? If that's the way to get this. This is an amazing.
I was not running on the Juhu.
No,
I was doing.
that's what I can do, yeah? So that this is meant to be like, we're all feeling for ourselves here. Also, it's a great story. I mean, your story is truly inspiring. I do want to ask you, it's very interesting. It's not Rudra, it's Yudra.
It's Yudra,
And it's such a beautiful name. Could you tell us anything at all before we watch the trailer about what this word means, or what does Yudra mean?
Well, it's the name of the guy, firstly. And जैसे कि आप लोग आजकल देख रहे हैं कि अलग-अलग किस्म के नाम आ रहे हैं, कुछ नए नाम आ रहे हैं बच्चों के. तो इसका मैं इन डेप्थ मीनिंग तो मैं आप लोगों के ऊपर छोड़ूंगा जब आप लोग ट्रेलर देखेंगे. लेकिन बस ये एक नाम है, बहुत पावरफुल है. It's got a significance, but I will leave it up to the trailer for you guys to understand what it is about.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions very kindly and patiently. But for right now, of course, we're going to have to welcome Yudra ki Nikhat, because that is going to be the flame that fuels Yudra's fire. Please join me in welcoming the gorgeous, talented, and the stunning Malvika Mohanan. Hi! Well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो. There he's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malvika, let me get you up to speed. Until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet, okay? So we can't spill any beans because we're going to watch the trailer after one more of our cast members joins us. But before we go there, I want to ask you, tell us something, yeah? Tell us something. We've only seen this poster, there's a lot of blood, there's lollipops, and for some reason it looks like this man's been up to no good. So, please tell us what you can.
Firstly, a very good evening to everyone. It's so I'll tell you what went on in my head. We shot this film for a while because it's this massive film. We shot all over the place, and when I saw some shots, when I saw a few things recently, a few months back, my first thought was, it's so stylish and it's so slick and it's something that I as an audience haven't seen in a very long time. You know, so it excited me as an audience, not even as a part of the film. So I hope it has the same effect on everyone else watching it. And about Yudra, I think, I mean, he's done some pretty intense and cool stuff in the film. I mean, you'll see it very, very soon. But I can't wait for the world to watch all the magic he's created.
You know, you talk about style, but there's style's nothing without substance, right? And substance, I can tell you, again, I'm just reacting with those posters. How do you guys give me such sizzling chemistry on a poster? God damn it. Like, stop it. Like, what, is there a secret to that?
You want to take that answer? मैं जो बोलूँगा गलत होगा.
No, where?
I think it's Ravi sir's
Ravi
magic.
sir,
Yeah.
you are the chemist on this chemistry. Nice.
That's true, that's a perfect word.
Nice. So, or rather the alchemist, I would say. So, I know. That's great. Thank you for, totally not answering that question. Is completely fine. At this point, of course, thank you, Malvi, for joining us, and please stay on the stage. Because up next, of course, I'd like to call upon the incredibly talented performer Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause for his charismatic performances, impressive versatility. He's been wowing audiences with his dynamic roles. After his standout performance in Kill, he's now stepping into the role of the villain in Yudra. Hi, cuties. हम सब ने WhatsApp ग्रुप पे कलर कोऑर्डिनेट किया है हमारे कपड़ों को. And now this was great fun. Thank you for taking my memo, guys. That was amazing. Yeah, so let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त. अच्छा. अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं. तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में आप थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दें इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं आपको क्या देखेंगे.
यार वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा. हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, यू नो. और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो, सीधे देखो, है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार, बहुत ज़्यादा. फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें, बहुत कश्मकश की है हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ है मेरा इस फिल्म के दौरान. कैरेक्टर्स को देखिए, बहुत मेहनत की है सबने, बहुत खून पसीना किया है, बहुत वक्त. जब टीनेजर था तब शुरू की थी फिल्म. बड़ा हो गया. So yes, देखिए.
You know, I must acknowledge the wonderful year you've been having. Okay. Well, बहुत डराया आपने मुझे. मैं ट्रेन में जाने से डरती हूँ किल के बाद. बहुत शुक्रिया. क्योंकि अगर तुम आ जाओगे वहाँ पे तो मुझे डर लगेगा, right? Are you having fun scaring people? You're doing it again?
I'm doing it again. I think I'm not. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, actually. मतलब मजा है विलन में, एक फील है. हाँ. तो इसलिए.
You know, the reason why this is so much fun is because I have watched this trailer. It is so fantastic, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. So, shall we actually show it to them?
Let's go.
All right, guys. So we're gonna step aside and give us a minute because ये नीचे आना होगा और आपको दिखाएंगे 2 बार, of course, without any breaks, the trailer of Yudra.
ये भाई